All right, guys. Happy Thanksgiving. Just after work today, came home, did some cleaning up around the house and stuff. You know, getting ready for company to come over tomorrow for Thanksgiving. But went ahead and got started on the TKO swap, TKO faceplated TKO 600. And first thing I wanted to do was obviously I removed the exhaust. Cleaned up the underside of the car because we had the speed sensor in the T5, and I think I showed you guys already, but and you can see it better here. You can definitely see now with the speedometer cable out of the way, but the little bolt came loose, and so this didn't come all the way out, but it slid out past the O-ring, and some transmission fluid was coming down right onto the exhaust here. So got everything pretty well cleaned up under here, and figured I'd go ahead and start the swap. Matter of fact, you can still see a little. I got to clean that fuel line up right there, but I'll get everything cleaned up real good. Nonetheless, got the drive shaft out and figured I'd go ahead and get the yoke swapped. So that's done and ready to go. And you can look at the difference with the TKO yoke, how much beefier it is than the T5. Man, big difference. So no wonder this thing can hold, I mean, that's just all the internals are that much beefier too. Another thing I did with the bell housing is I went ahead and called Hanlon Motorsport. Actually, they have a chat, and they're really cool. I think I sent them a chat on Friday night. They got back to me Monday morning to see what the bolt size was on the TKO bell housing, because I read online it's not the same. It's not the same as the T5 bolts, so I'm glad I went ahead and ordered some of these, and I went ahead and retapped these holes because it looks like they had like some Loctite or something in there. They weren't threading in very well. With it being aluminum, I didn't want to take the chance of cracking it, until I get an SFI bell housing. But this will get me going. So we got that. It's good. The only thing I have to run up to O'Reilly's. They had to special order the 26 spline pilot tool, the lineup tool. So that's already, that should be at the store. They said it was coming over today. They did have it in town at their hub, but they didn't have it at the local store. So I'll probably pick that up the day after Thanksgiving. I'm not in a rush. I won't be needing it tonight or even the day after Thanksgiving, more than likely not. But just wanted to get started on it because once I get everything going, once I've started on it, I'll be on a good pace to finish it up. So, yeah, this was my first time swapping over a yoke, and it was pretty easy. On this one, you pop these out with a pair of pliers, and on the yoke side, yeah, don't even mess with the drive shaft side because that's staying, but just drive that out after you remove this. And then one of the caps will fall out, and just flip it over and push it back the other way, and it'll come off. You swap it over and pop it back in. That was like a 15-minute job, and I had never done it before ever. So, and it's good to go, nice and smooth. So anyway, the yoke is done. TKO swap is underway. Won't take me about a couple of days, but I don't know if I'll have it done by Monday with this holiday weekend. I did drain this of all the fluid, so we won't have to worry about that dripping anything. And I'm going to drain the T5 before we drop that out. So it's just so much easier. I've already spilled a little bit came out of the yoke. So, but nonetheless, we'll drain that out. And anyway, my point was the fluid looked good coming out of there. It was nice and red. There wasn't any glitter or anything in it. So I'm happy about that. One thing I did want to ask you guys, if you know the difference, if the speedometer gears are different on these speed sensors. Because this one, the red one was the one in here. The white one is for my 410 gears, but it seems it's pretty tight going on the speed sensor here. So I don't know if the TKO takes a different gear, or if I just need to, I don't know, polish this up or something. But the red one goes on nice and easy, and the white one is pretty stiff on here. So I don't know if that would work well. Anyway, let me know. I need the speedometer gear for a TKO 600 with 410 gears. So this is the one for a T5 with 410s, and the red one was the one on there. I guess I could count the teeth and see if they're the same. But anyway, just wanted to throw that out there for you guys. And we should, again, hope everybody has a great Thanksgiving. Thanks for all you guys that do watch these videos and follow along, comment, and help me out. Everybody that commented on these plugs here for the nitrous, I really appreciate it. So I'll have to do some more research. I'll have to cut the threads off there and get down in there and look at the fire ring. These are the 3924s that came out of there, so they're pretty dark also. So I think maybe just the whole tune needs, I need to pull a little fuel out of the whole tune, because these are the nitrous plugs, the ones that have that little bit of brownish tint, which may be from the nitrous or from a little bit of octane booster I had in there. And then these were just the NA 3924s. So these might have been a little rich too. So I can pull I don't know what you guys think. I can go ahead and maybe take a look at a log, but AFRs on my gauge didn't look way out of whack or anything. So, but obviously the plugs don't lie. So maybe we can. These are the NA plugs. I mean, we can, get another couple sets of plugs and pull some, pull 5% fuel out, see what that does, and go from there. But anyway, thanks guys. I hope everybody has a great Thanksgiving. I'll keep plugging away at this. It won't take me long, but we got company coming over tomorrow, and what have you. So we'll get this knocked out. It'll only take a couple days, and hopefully our next trip to the track is December 3rd to try out the face-plated TKO 600. See if we can get that 10-second slit. All right, thanks everybody.